Hello world, my name is Savorinen, Jukka-Petteri Savorinen, and I figured out how universe really works. And that's why I can tell you that for next 24 hours there's coming again huge heavy rains and floods in many areas in Earth. And it's happening because we had very strong dark energy activation about 10 days ago. It was 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th January 2026 when we have had alignments where was Jupiter, Earth, Sun, Venus and Mars. And yes, there is some expanding dark energy what physicists don't understand. And when you have an alignment which is straight, there is very strong dark energy activation, and because there was 4 planets together with Sun, it was very strong dark energy activation. And how it's going? It's going that way that space don't expanding. Center of nuclei of atoms, there is traffic areas where is expanding energy more density. And these expanding traffic areas has recycling expanding energy, which is also expanding pushing force, and these expanding traffic areas just pushing each other's away, same way what they're expanding. You can say that the nuclei of atoms expanding and recycling expanding dark energy, which have a nature of electrons and photons, which also expanding. Yes, there is no electrons outside nuclei of atoms, but when physicists check out if there is electrons, they sending expanding light that way where is expanding nuclei of atoms. And these expanding photons can interact with this kind of expanding dark energy, what expanding nuclei of atoms recycling, and they spawn new expanding electrons. And physics thinking about that there was already electrons. And they don't understand that they create new electrons when they're sending expanding light that way where it's expanding nuclei of atoms. Expanding falling apple, moving away from expanding Earth center, but not so fast for expanding Earth surface. And that's the way you have an illusion that this apple which falling down moving that way where is Earth center. It is illusion just like sun movement. It is illusion, you know, Earth rotation and orbit sun. But Earth expanding and pushing away from expanding sun with spiral orbit, same way what matter and light expanding. And these expanding light waves are dark for us, and there is a lot of mass what you can't register, but there it is, these expanding dark waves which can interact with each other and get each other's expanding faster, and that's why expanding lights moving faster and faster, same way what matter and light expanding. And that's why we have a cosmological way redshifted old light, because these old expanding lights which pushing inside our galaxy clusters, which expanding, it's not so fast what our galaxy clusters more new and energetic expanding light are. So these our galaxy clusters expanding light interacting with old expanding light and accelerating this old expanding light speed, and then it's redshifting, you know. And that's the way it's going. This is the keyword theory of everything for physics. And I just say you be ready, be careful and be safe. Next 24 hours there is extremely huge heavy rains and floods all over the world. Some small area. There's coming a lot of water. Or then there is this kind of snowstorms. Because of this full moon what we have today evening, and there is same time this Mars, Mercury and Venus behind Sun. Not same way behind like 10th January, but anyway they are same direction about where is Sun, and that's why there's coming these kind of alignments with Earth and Moon quickly with Mars, same time with Mercury, and after that right away with Sun, and after that right away with Venus. And this dark energy activation can get this photon coming down a lot. I mean a lot. Yes, that's what I tell you. So be ready, be careful, and be safe. And also you can Google Savorinen Facebook, very nice place to read how universe really works. Also Uusi Suomi blogi, more information how universe really works. Okay, cheers. Einstein wrong with curving space. Time is relative, but space don't play tricks. Time is relative because substance volume is also relative. Cheers.